What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweetie Man. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, the Sweetie Man Show, and X_Sweetie Man. Alright, without further ado, we got a package, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the one of the most beautiful mods you can actually do. Like, I mean, it's super cheap, you know, comparing to other mods that you can do to your car. But hey, we got a delivery from ECS Tuning. I'm gonna be showing you guys that. But anyways, so we got my guinea pig here, which I'm gonna be doing some videos with this in the upcoming videos. All right, so this is probably gonna be my guinea pig filming. And anyways, I do have the package in this. So this is my 2013 Ford Fusion, and over there I do have my 2014 Audi RS5. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the package, and then we're gonna do, like, you know, the install together and see what going. Alright, there we go. So it pretty much came in this big ass box here. So I did, in case if you haven't figured that out yet, that's okay, no worries. I do love the unboxing of this, yo. Like, the packaging is so nice. However, what's in here, it's so tiny. Seen that shit? It's so tiny. Makes no sense. But hey, I guess that's customer service. Like, that's what we got, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys take a guess. In case if you haven't seen this before, I'm gonna actually move it over here. So I already pretty much unboxed it. Damn, having a hard time here. Boom, there you go. So what we're looking at, alright, so we got instructions on how to do it. In case you haven't figured that out yet, we got freaking paddle shifters. The stock paddle shifters, they're alright. But with these ones here, shush, you should be blessed. Ever since I released my video on how to do paddle shifter on an automatic car, I've been, you know, driving in manual still. Yeah, I'm having a hard time taking this out. Ah, there we go. This is quality, yo. So that's the right paddle shifter. Feels quality. It's light too. So this probably might be brushed aluminum. I'm not sure. I don't know the material, but it's pretty light and it feels quality. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Hopefully it's super easy, and then, you know, probably do a POV. Alright, so this is my 2014 Audi RS5, obviously. In case you knew, like I said, this is my 2014 Audi RS5. So pretty much these are the stock paddle shifters. I'm gonna pan it to the back. So these are actually metallic paddle shifters. It feels quality. Pushing it. You got the left as well. Shows super quality. So I do have the other one here, so I'm gonna just show you guys what it should look like. What do you guys think? Damn, it's actually proper. This matte still, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. This should be easy, hopefully. I do have instruction right there, so yeah, hopefully that comes handy. All right, so pretty much, what do you guys think? One down? What do you guys think? To be honest, I think it looks mad still. Like, check over here. I mean, you still have a gap here, but it's not supposed to go over that gap, obviously. You just want to see just the front side of it. I mean, I think it looks pretty mad still. So the way to get it done It comes with this little Allen key. I don't know what size is it, but it's pretty tiny. And over here, you see you do have 3 different screws. So you only get the middle one, which is over here. So you only get the middle one, which is over here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but that's the one you do get. So you're supposed to anti-clockwise. Alright, super easy, and it actually comes with the spare part, so which is pretty good in case if you lose this, because this is the little piece here that actually holds down the paddle shifters. I'm just gonna get that here, so you see, boom, empty. So I did the right paddle shifter. Now what I'm gonna do is the left one. Just turn it around. Shish. Alright, you guys pull up over here. So pretty much, so that's the left paddle shifter. As you can see, it's hooked. I'm gonna take that off. So what you want to do is you want to go from the top. It's much easier if you go from the top. So you go from the top, and then you just clip it. Do it one more time. Top, clip. So right now it's in place. You can see over there. So that little, the one in the middle, that's the one I'm gonna be screwing back in. That's gonna hold it down. The paddle shifter looks a little bit kind of dusty now. I guess it's been in the warehouse. So obviously I'm gonna have to get that cleaned up. So if we can check from the back, I think it looks pretty nice still. I ain't gonna lie. We can also look at the other one over here. So from the view from the bottom, it looks pretty good still. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. I was gonna get the carbon fiber ones, but my boy told me to get the right ones. I think the right one looks pretty mad still. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten the bolt, well, the screw, the middle one. I'm gonna tighten that one, then I'm gonna get back to you guys with the final product. Alright, yalla. I just dropped it. Well, that's why they give you a spare one. It's over here. So that's the spare one. I just dropped the other one. It is what it is. Yo, let me know where to like stick this Leo Motorsport. Let me know where to stick it. I don't think that makes a difference. Anyways, just let me know where to stick this. Let me know down in the comments. Alright, in, baby. Guys, all done. What do you guys think? I think it looks fantastic. Magnifico. Like, shush. I'll be damn. Looks beautiful, yo. I think it's money well spent. See the quality? Yep. Solid. Solid. Proper. Feels good. Now I'm gonna have to find my GoPro. If I could find my GoPro, we'll do a little POV. But yeah, I'm about to go test these babies out still. I think it looks proper still.
want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine woman with some twerk with off.